guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria and I'm so happy that you guys are starting off your weekend with me, and you, my first time viewers that are joining me for the very first time, welcome. I'm glad that you're here with me today. Guys, today I'm making another delicious, tasty, healthy meal. I am making vegetable fried rice. You know how much I love Japanese food, and I love their fried rice, and I always want to replicate their fried rice. So today I'm making another delicious fried rice. This time is meatless for all of you vegan and vegetarian. I got you today. So let me begin by showing you all my ingredients for my recipe. So here are all my ingredients to make my delicious fried rice, vegetable fried rice. So I have garlic, scallion, some of you call it green onions, and these are some spicy seasonings blended together. This is fresh parsley. These are my mixed vegetables containing carrots, in corn, in green beans. And these are my zucchini that I cut up, my broccoli, my chopped onions, and salted organic Nature Promise butter, in sesame oil. You definitely need sesame oil to make a perfect fried rice. And I have here my ginger teriyaki sauce, love, and my organic soy sauce, and my rice is chill. When I said chill, I place it in my freezer for 15 minutes so it can be chill, perfect to make the fried rice with. Let's talk about broccoli just for a little bit. You know, this is super high in fiber. I love broccoli. I drink broccoli in my smoothies, and I eat broccoli by itself as well. And it's also lower your blood sugar. So if you're not a lover of broccoli yet, please fall in love with broccoli. There are more to tell on broccoli, but check my description box for the recipe and much more. So guys, you know, as usual, the chefs have to taste our delicious meal. It looks so beautiful, so hot. Okay, so hands down, one of the best vegetable fried rice. Tastes so good. So my rice is jasmine. So I love my jasmine rice. So this rice is jasmine rice. You can get it at your supermarket. My sesame oil. I purchased this off Amazon. And my ginger taiyaki sauce. The brown sauce is on Micho. This. I purchased this at my neighborhood supermarket. And these all a combination to make a perfect, delicious, vegetable, vegan fried rice. It looks so pretty. Oh, don't you just love when your food is beautiful? I don't like a lot of food in my plate, so this is perfect. Well, this is all that I have to say for today, guys. And I would say if you like my video, but no, you should love my video and give my video a thumbs up. And you know what to do, share my videos. And I love when you guys comment, so don't hold back, leave a comment. And if you are new to my channel, for the first time you're watching and you're not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, that red subscribe. Yes, hit that. And hit the notification bell so when I upload new videos, you will get a notification. And this is all that I have to say for today. The recipe will be in my description box with a lot more healthy stuff in broccoli and why you should eat broccoli and implement broccoli in your diet. And remember to check out my website. I have this amazing blog that I upload for you guys. How to be healthy, you know, you want to achieve an amazing health. So how to achieve a healthy lifestyle in 2020 and beyond. My grandmother says she just loved that. So guys, check out my blog and trendingwithvictoria.com and follow me on social. You have Instagram and Twitter and whatnot. Give me a shout out. Follow me. I always follow everyone back anyway. So I'll see you then, and thank you again for starting off your weekend with me. You guys make my day. You are everything to me. I love you guys because I can feel the love from you guys too. Mwah.